Why does conflict management and problem-solving matter in negotiation? To set the stage, consider a real-life case study from the world of business. In the late 90s, Apple Inc. was on the brink of bankruptcy. Microsoft, their fiercest competitor, negotiated a deal, investing $150 million into the struggling company. This negotiation, fraught with years of rivalry and conflict, saved Apple from financial ruin and allowed Microsoft to maintain healthy competition in the marketplace. Conflict is an inherent part of human interaction, surfacing in various forms: personal, social, professional, political, cultural, or religious. It's born from differences in needs, interests, values, and cultures. Managing these conflicts is a necessity to avoid escalating tensions and to identify opportunities for collaboration and development. Conflict management relies on effective communication, a clear expression of feelings and needs, mutual respect, and the pursuit of satisfactory and innovative solutions. It aims to enhance understanding and build positive relationships among individuals and groups. Now, let's pivot to the concept of negotiation. Negotiation is a process of seeking a mutually acceptable solution for two or more parties. It's an essential tool in achieving consensus and averting violent conflicts. The negotiation process involves preparation, identifying goals and core interests, exchanging proposals, reaching an acceptable agreement, and monitoring the implementation of the agreement. Effective negotiation demands a set of problem-solving skills. It requires innovation and creative thinking, comprehensive problem analysis, attentiveness to the needs and interests of the involved parties, the ability to work collaboratively, and flexibility in reaching satisfactory solutions. Strong communication skills and active listening are key. Think about the Camp David Accords of 1978, where the leaders of Egypt and Israel negotiated a peace treaty under the mediation of the United States. Despite years of conflict and mistrust, they managed to reach a mutually beneficial agreement that has lasted for more than 4 decades. This negotiation was a testament to the power of problem-solving and conflict management. In conclusion, conflict management and problem-solving in the negotiation process are vital skills in our world today, whether in personal, professional, or political relationships. Mastering these skills can prevent unnecessary tensions and foster healthy and productive relationships. Remember, achieving satisfactory solutions requires understanding, cooperation, active listening, and a willingness to think creatively and innovate. Thank you for your attentive listening. May you find success in applying conflict management and problem-solving skills in your personal and professional life.